crazy, and they have metrics showing that the 3100 in a roughly Corvette sized, LS3 sized hub, whatever they have, there's a whole mathematical equation, and they've done the research where heat versus horsepower versus parasitic loss versus detriment to health and safety, RPM, etc. All of that is built into the 3100, providing the best results. People do overspin it and they get better results, but what they have said and what we will check is that this result isn't worth it. It's hotter, it doesn't make as much horsepower per pound, and you're stress limiting the blower for no reason. So some people, it does something. I mean, if you're a drag racer, you probably don't care. So what we're going to do is see how all of this equates, right? So we're going to affix the smaller pulleys on the dyno. We already got this result. I'm going to dig up the 325. It's somewhere. If I can't find it, I guess it wouldn't be the end of the world. We would see at least a triple spread here. This is cool. It's double keyed on these blower pulleys from them. And this is the front guy. These are the keys right here. And you might notice this guy is keyed and it has a hub. So Grip Tech always ends up doing this, usually a hub adapter. One thing that I would like to note, and I read in the instructions and I visually saw, there is a spacer here. And with the TorqStorm pulleys, you use this spacer. And with their Grip Tech hub adapter, no affiliation between these two. These guys are overspinning these guys. You know, they might not be the greatest fans of each other, but the blower's gotta blow. Anyway, we're gonna put the hub on here without the washer. You can slide the washer out. Very nice, tight fit. Take the washer out, put this guy on, and then also you can see these guys are flush on the back side, and that is slightly proud, and that is literally that guy there. So note to self, if you're doing all of these activities. Also, this is a hub adapter and this is a pulley. They're two separate units. So I'm going to put this guy on and Loctite these as prescribed by your doctor, and hook up a belt and see which belt fits. I believe this is a 72 that comes with their kit. Fits perfect. It's their kit. Yep, 72. 580720. Take my word for it. And so I got a 71 and a 68. And like I said, it has this adjustable. You can change the clocking, or it has park positions. They have multiple holes drilled in here to change the alignment of this guy, changing the throw of it. So we'll get something that fits good. See you later, Kate. Thanks. Bye. So, got the pulley on, and a perfect example is I got a 68-inch belt just for extremes, and this pulley change doesn't affect the belt size that much, and I assume that's why they built in this guy too. So with the tensioner all the way up, I can't even get the belt under the tensioner. So, like I said, I wanted to show you guys if I had to. You loosen the back, and you can pull this guy forward, and you can change, here, let me get rid of this guy, it's impeding. You can put it in a different pin height. So now the entire tensioner is higher. And now the tensioner is higher, higher, lower, lower. You get the idea. So if you're off by like that tiny bit, you don't need to get another belt. You can just change where the tensioner grabs. Really, really cool design. I haven't seen that on other things. Maybe ProCharger has it, I don't know. Okay, I wanted to show this without my other hand in the way. There's the alignment pin down here in the bracket. You can see it's billet, it's shiny, but A, B, C, D. So I just moved it from somewhere down low to D, and it's this high now, and I went to put the pulley on, or the belt, and I can fit like an entire finger or two. so it's too loose. You want to be able to just get that belt on. So we're at D, we're gonna try C, and see where that gets us with the belt